All right, so we got a volcano kit today. We're gonna be doing the National Geographic Build Your Own Volcano and do a review on it. All right, so we got all our ingredients on the table. What we got up in here? A couple booklets, a couple specimens. Looks like lava in the pack. All right, so Aiden has started putting the volcano together. So it forms like its own little plastic volcano. We're gonna make that baby erupt.
This is the mold, Dad.
I know, volcano mode. Same thing, my boy.
No, I need the rubber band.
All right, so we got the volcano together. You have to put a rubber band around it, keep it tight. It's a little bit tricky, but Aiden got it. My boy, got it. All right, so we got all the ingredients, I think, for the most part, right, guys?
Yeah, and we got Erupt.
Yeah. So it calls for this plaster that we're gonna put in this thing to make a mold for our volcano. So it asks for like a disposable jug. So we cut one and we're gonna put the plaster in there, make our mold right now. It asks for safety precautions on eyes and hands. So we got our safety gear on.
We have the plaster that we're gonna pour in here.
Looks like flour or something. So we're gonna put that in there and then add a cup of water. And that's gonna give us our mold to make our volcano mold. We got the water, we're finna mix it into the plaster. Go ahead and give it a pour.
Oh!
Yeah, it looks like smoke to me. So we need to stir it till it gets thick white.
Alright, so we're scooping. I'm helping out. I had to get involved here. Ari has become the cameraman for this experiment.
So you're gonna have to let the plaster sit for 45 minutes for it to completely harden and take it out. And so when you paint it, you gotta either put it in the oven for 1 to 2 hours to help it completely dry, or just put it in a warm, dry place for 1 to 2 hours. No, not 1 to 2. For 1 to 2 days, and then it will be completely dry.
Okay, so that's for the painting part.
Yeah.
Alright, but for now, it has to sit for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so as you guys can see, this isn't an experiment you can just do quick in like 20 minutes, which is what we thought. So we're gonna flip the mold out and see how it came out. Oh
My goodness, it's like a whole
it's
volcano.
like a whole real volcano. I like it. I like it a lot. It looks good. It looks like a real volcano. It's all rocky and stony.
So we're back after 1 to 2 days. The plaster on the volcano has completely dried.
Yeah.
And Dad decided we shouldn't paint it. So we're just gonna get right into explode for you guys.
So we've got to mix the lava powder with vinegar. If anybody got science stuff out there they want to send us, send it to the Bubby Boys and we will review it and check it out. All right. Got that in there.
It's wet. It's very wet.
So it's 2 spoons. This one's gonna look like real lava.
Yeah. I would put something near the volcano, but that won't let me.
We'll just pour until we get the eruption we want. Oh,
Back up.
that's the real deal.
Oh, get some more.
Pour a little more.
Pour a little more.
Oh,
If we're like a magnifique person, that he would. Come on. Wait. Oh.
dun dun dun.
It
That
kind
is not fine. That
It
is
kind
small.
of looks like yellow to me. Oh.
Why is it so dark?
Why is our volcano pink now?
All right, so now we're gonna get into the last volcano of the evening, the super bubbly volcano. And for this one, we add the dish soap.
We start with this first.
Oh, it's a wet bubbly. That's good. Oh. God.
Alright, so several drops of dish soap. Assistant. Lab assistant.
Lab partner.
I'm paying you enough for this, man. Just drop the soap.
Not a ton. Control him so he don't put too much.
Drop.
Alright.
So much.
Guys,
Hurry.
I think it's gonna bubble.
They call us the Bubby Boys for a reason, don't they?
Yes.
Oh, but I
Oh,
didn't-
so-
No, alright, stop, man. You're gonna overload it, man. So back up a little bit.
Oh,
Now.
Moment of truth for the bubbly one.
It's not very bubbly.
Keep going with the. You may have overloaded.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bubbly on the ground.
oh, it's like a
Oh.
pink volcano now.
It's bubbling up.
I think you just
Can you
put a
add
look.
a little more?
One.
Yeah, it's an overflow.
So,
Alright.
guys,
No.
Alright, enough soap, man.
oh,
You know what? No.
Alright, guys, what you think of the volcano experiment?
It was fun.
Pretty cool and fun. That one's from National Geographic. Alright, easy, man. You losing control.
no, we must fill up the
Alright.
It's the end of the day. My God.
Abort missing.
Alright, lost it, ladies and gentlemen.
No. You're
Look
fired.
at this. Look at this.
No. You do that, you're fired. If you do it, you're fired.
Alright, guys. So thanks for watching another Bubby Boys science experiment where we're making science cool again.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like a lot of cool science and other content. We're gonna start pumping out more bangers for you guys to enjoy. So be on the watch for that. See you next time.
Alright, see you guys.